Speed up laundry room tile installation without sacrificing quality by planning each step and using time-saving techniques. Start by measuring the space and creating a simple layout on paper that marks cuts and pattern direction so you avoid last-minute changes that slow you down. Use a partner to streamline tasks, having one person mix and apply mortar while the other lays and spacings tiles so work proceeds continuously. Dry fit every tile first and pre-cut pieces during the dry fit stage using a wet saw or tile cutter so you only place finished pieces when mortaring. Choose a fast-setting thinset rated for your tile type and temperature to reduce wait times between setting and grouting while still following the manufacturer cure window. Organize tiles in labeled trays or boxes arranged in the installation order so you can grab the next piece without searching and keep spacers, trowels, and a level in a single accessible kit to minimize interruptions. Keep a small bucket of clean water and a sponge at hand for immediate cleanup of excess mortar, which prevents hard-to-remove residue and speeds up final finishing. Common mistakes include starting without a clear layout, which causes awkward cuts and wasted time, so always mark reference lines and complete a full dry layout before any mortar goes down. Another issue is using standard mortar that takes too long to set, and the remedy is selecting a fast-setting adhesive appropriate for your tile and mixing to the exact consistency recommended on the package. A third problem is poor organization of materials and tools, which leads to repeated trips and delays, so stage tiles, cut pieces, and tools in sequence beside the work area and assign specific tasks to each person to maintain a steady workflow. BigHomeProjects.com is a hub where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share project experiences. We also maintain a discussion community so we can all swap tips, ask questions, and find partners for jobs.